Well, my keyboard broke, and I tried to fix it by unscrewing the screws of it and like getting it from below, because this key, it's not okay. So since I didn't manage to get anything out of that, I guess I'll just put back the keycaps on the video. That's just sad. I don't actually know which one comes there. I'll just find that out later. Well, since that was yeeted, I guess I gotta retrieve it. Okay, just got the little creaking back. So let's pretend nothing happened. Now let's keep going. It's it's not gonna focus because this doesn't have automatic focus, but it's pause break, and I don't know if it's the. I know that this is a print, but I do not know which one is scroll lock and which one is pause break. Well, I'm just gonna assume that the pause break is this one. Um, 9. I was really confused. It looked like a 6. I think this one comes here. One of those is gonna be right. Okay, now there's the last 4. Yeah, as soon as I can put screen print back. Okay, so left is F8, F1, F12, and F11. Huh. Or just Fs. Okay, it's over. Guess we'll just plug it back on, I guess. I heard something. I think that's a good sign. Yeah. And I still gotta check, like, I'll open the notepad here real quick. Because, I just want to know if... Yeah, this button is right. There's a scroll lock. Yeah, everything looks right. So, thanks for watching this. I don't know why you did if you... I don't know why you'd watch this, but... If you enjoyed, like... I don't know, you can like this, but... I don't upload consistently. This is more of a shitpost channel. So, like... Don't like... bother about subscribing, comment, and sharing. Yeah, goodbye.